Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add shapes to your presentations on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started. So head over to your presentation on Microsoft Whiteboard, be it in the desktop app or web app. I'm accessing through the web app, and what you want to do is simply pay attention to that menu here at the bottom with these options. So click into this one here, add shape or line, and that is going to give you access to these shapes. So you can go with lines or double-headed arrows, rectangles, diamonds, arrows like this, circles, triangles. So let me go with a simple circle, click into it. After that, start drawing it. Now if you'd like to stabilize it, simply press and hold left shift on your keyboard, and that is going to stabilize it so that you have a perfect and clean circle like this. Release your left mouse, and after that you will be given the opportunity to customize your shape. You may rotate it, which doesn't make any sense for circles. You may also resize it, for example. And if you'd like to stabilize it, again, guys, remember to press and hold left shift on your keyboard. And then you may also change the fill color here, the border color. For example, add text and change or format the texture, delete the shape, and so on and so forth, guys. Click into these three dots here to duplicate it, to bring it to front, to send it to the back. So the basic stuff, guys, it is actually very simple. So that's how you add shapes to your presentations on Microsoft Whiteboard. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.